Oh, it'll do all of it?
Okay, look at it.
Okay.
Look at it. Look at it here.
Yeah.
Okay?
Oh,
Okay? Okay, put it back.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Let me put it back. Okay. Ok, hold on. Ê, để nó quay ra ngoài, tại nó có hơi quay vô trong mà đưa vậy nó vô trong này đó. Đi quay ra hướng bên kia chút.
You get
Okay, ready? Go ahead.
You
Make
got
video.
video? Yeah.
Wait.
Man, you.
Oh. There it goes.
Yeah.
But
Okay.
I don't know if I can steer, can I?
Yeah. Too slow, man. You don't have to run off full throttle. You can go by throttle, okay?
Looks like it's tail heavy.
Yeah, look like that, but
a
not.
little bit tail heavy.
Look like that, but not.
Come on, fly by.
Too slow. Look like
Yeah, I'll get lower here for you.
Yeah, too slow and just slow and that. I hope you got a video on that. You have control by throttle, you know, that's a...
Yeah.
Funny, David. You know.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
That is pretty cool.
Looks like they're heavy, but not.
I don't think it's heavy. I think it might be tail heavy. I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't think you can set one of these on a CG machine.
I think so.
Yeah, especially because it'll porpoise on you. So that's probably tail heavy, I think.
Yeah. Looks funny, man.
You gonna get a landing?
Sure.
This is funny, you know. That's
Yeah, it's hilarious. It floats though.
Put more throttle and go back home. Yeah. Yeah, you're right. Uh-huh. I'll put the tail back on that.